Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you're all hale and hearty. And on this healthy note, let's begin our today's tutorial. Today, we are going to discuss another part of speech, that is adverbs. Adverbs play a very important and crucial role in framing and speaking grammatically correct sentences. So, what are actually adverbs? Let's discuss in detail. Adverbs are actually the words which tell us more about verb. Verbs are also called action words as they inform us about the action taking place. So, adverbs help us to understand how an action is done, when it is done, and where it is being done. It highlights the information about the verb or action performed. Also, adverb justifies or qualifies the adjectives as well. Adjectives, as you all know, are the words that highlight the qualities of the noun. They tell us more about noun. For more information on adjectives, their kinds and degrees, you can watch my other videos as well. The link is provided in the description. Further, the adverbs also highlight another adverbs. Let's discuss all these points with examples now. First of all, the adverbs tell us more about the verbs, that is, the action words. The first point is how an action is done. Adverbs enhance that how an action is done. Let's see some examples. Don't stare at her angrily. Here, the action of staring is done, and angrily tells us how that action is done. So, word angrily is the adverb which highlights the verb stare. Always remember that the name adverb itself suggests it is an addition to the verb. It enhances the verb in three ways: how an action is done, when an action is done, and where it is done. Right now, we are discussing that how an action is done. Let's see some more example for this. Mother decorated our room beautifully. Now, how did the mother decorate our room? She decorated it beautifully. So, beautifully is the adverb here because it is telling us that how the action of decoration is being done. The next point is when an action is done. Adverbs also highlight that at what time or when an action is done. Let's see some examples for this as well. You are complaining after everything is done. Here, the action of complaining is done when it is done after everything is completed, after everything is done. So, here the word after is the adverb. The next sentence, I read newspaper daily. When do I read newspaper? I read newspaper daily. So here the word daily is highlighting the verb of reading the newspaper. The next is where an action is done. It also highlights that where the place of action is it is. Let's see the example. The silk moth grows inside the cocoon. Here, the silk moth is growing. The action of growing is highlighted by the word inside. It is telling us where it is taking place. It is taking place inside the cocoon. So, inside is the adverb because it is telling us the place of the action grows. Next sentence. The parking lot is there. Where is the parking lot? There. It is just giving us a direction to the parking lot. That is why it is an adverb. Next comes that how an adverb qualifies an adjective. Adjectives, as I have already told you, are the words which tell us about the qualities of the noun. It can be a good quality, it can be a bad quality depending upon the noun, but the word will be an adjective. Let's see how they are qualified by the adverbs. Adverb sometimes further enhances the adjective. I already told you this. Let's see the examples now. The boy is very clever. In this sentence, the quality of the boy is that he is clever. That means clever is the adjective, but the word clever is further highlighted by the word very. So that is why very is an adverb which highlights the adjective clever. Let's see one more example for this. She is quite helpless. Here, how is she feeling? She is feeling helpless, and the word quite is highlighting that state. That is why it is an adverb. The tank is nearly full. The quality or the capacity of the tank here is full, and the word nearly is highlighting that. That is why it is an adverb. He writes perfectly well. Already, well, writing well is an adjective, but it is further highlighted by perfectly. That is why it is an adverb. So remember this thing that adjectives are also highlighted by the adverb. This is again another function of adverbs. Moving on. Lastly, adverbs also qualify another adverb. Adverb already we know that they are the words that highlight the verb, but how they highlight each other, let's discuss that now. Adverbs also support and qualify each other that we discussed now. Let's see some examples. He was driving very fast. In this sentence, the action is driving, which is highlighted by the word fast. So, fast is an adverb, but it is further highlighted by the word very. Very qualifies fast. That is why very is an adverb, which is further highlighting the another adverb that is fast. Let's see one more example of this kind only. After the teacher guided her, Meena worked more carefully. Here, the word carefully is already an adverb because it is telling us about how Meena worked, but it is further qualified by the word more. More qualifies the adverb carefully, that is why it is an adverb. Here, it is an example of adverb qualifying another adverb. So more is qualified by carefully. So that's all for today, everybody. Today we talked and discussed about what are adverbs, and in the next video I will share the information about the kinds of adverbs. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you next time. But before leaving, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already, and also hit the bell notification so that you get all the video updates as soon as I post them. And do please like, subscribe and comment as well. I would love to read your comments that whether you are able to understand the concepts in a better way or not, and also you can share that what more topics I should post uh, videos about so that it would help you out. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe.